Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGig webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Microsoft's cloud computing platform, Windows Azure. The topic of today's session is Windows Azure, and it is the third session in the cloud computing series going on TechGig. Our guest speaker today is Ms. Sabah Halim, Partner Consultant in Microsoft GTSC Bangalore. Based in Microsoft Global Technical Support Center in Bangalore, Sabah is working as Partner Technical Consultant and spends most of her time providing consultancy, technical demonstration, architectural guidance, and advisory support to Microsoft partners. Currently working on promoting Windows Store apps and Windows Azure. She works on other .NET technologies such as ASP.NET and Entity Framework and WCF data services, and also on development of Windows 8 apps. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Sabah.
Hello everybody. So before I start discussing the agenda of today's session, I just want to say warm welcome to everyone who is here for attending this session on Windows Azure. And as Mohini has already given the introduction, so I'm skipping this thing. Okay, let me tell you like what we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay, it is more about the cloud computing. If you're completely new to cloud, okay, I will give you a brief idea about what is cloud computing. And because I'm representing Microsoft, so I will be definitely talking about Windows Azure platform. And we will be discussing here about various models. Okay, what is PaaS, what is SaaS, what is IaaS, and you should know about these public cloud options available or model available. And my primary objective here is to give you detailed information about Windows Azure, and because of the limitation of time, we can see one small application that we will be building using ASP.NET, and we will see how we can publish it or host it in Windows Azure. And during this session I will also show you what are the tools required and what are the things required that you need to prepare at your end before starting building your own Windows Azure app, and what are the steps required to host it in a cloud. So in today's session, we will be only focusing on these points. Definitely in future sessions, we can think of connecting ASP.NET application with SQL Azure database, or we can also discuss about various storage services. But today, I think we will be only discussing about the core Visual Windows Azure platform. Okay, and if time allows, okay, we can also discuss about worker roles, how to use it, but right now I just want to concentrate on Windows Azure.